In this video, we will see what the methods of creating array, that is in a static array, or inside heap. We have already seen this. We can create an array by just mentioning the size. So this array will be created inside stack. Next, for creating an array in heap, we must have a pointer. To that pointer, we can create an array in heap and assign the address of that array to that pointer. So here I will write on the code p assign. For allocating memory in heap, the function is malloc function. And suppose I want to create 5 integers, so we know that 5 into size of integer. We can use an operator size of integer because here in this compiler it is taking 4 bytes. So whatever the number of bytes a compiler is taking, it will take that many bytes. This malloc function will return void type of pointer, so it must be typecasted before use. So I will typecast it as integer type. This will create an array in heap. Here I will change the array size to 5 and I will initialize with some numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now this array what I have created just now using heap, I will initialize this array, that is p of 0 with 3. I will assign odd numbers. Now here I will take one integer variable for displaying the values. So I will display the values of array A as well as array P using for loop. So first for loop I will print the array A. Yeah, with the for loop I am printing all the elements of array A from 0 to 4. Same for loop I will copy here to print the dynamic array that is pointed by P. So I will write P of I here. Between these two I just want a new line, so printf slash n. So their results are displayed one after another. Next thing is I am getting a warning here that's unable to find the definition of malloc function. So for that I should include a header file, that is stdlib.h. This function is available in stdlib.h, so this is gone. I will run the program and show you. These are the two for loops used for printing the values of array A and array P to confirm really the arrays are created and they are holding those values. Yeah, you can see that 2, 4, 6, 8 are the values that are kept in array A, and 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these are the values that I have assigned them to array P. So in our programs, wherever we want to allocate array in heap, then this is the method using malloc function you can allocate memory in heap. I will put a breakpoint here and debug the program and show you. So here is a breakpoint on the return statement, then I will run the program. Let us see how these arrays looks like. See, this array A is having values 2, 4, 7, 8. Array is having values 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and it is of size 5. So here in the brackets you can size 5. Then P is just a pointer, it's not an array. And this pointer is having so and so address. This is the address. Then P is pointing on the first element. As I have shown you on the board, whiteboard, that pointer will be pointing on the first element, but using that pointer you can access all other elements. So this is P of 0, that is 3. And plus 1, if you say you can access this one, or P of 2, P of 3, P of 4, we can access all these elements with the help of this pointer. So it's showing only one value when it is dereferenced. So star P gives value 3. The address of the array in heap is given here in the hexadecimal form. This is the hexadecimal number. So that's all. This is the demonstration of creating array in stack as well as in heap.